In my teaching philosophy, I believe that the teacher has a key role in shaping the classroom environment because they are the head of the organism that is their class, and the class is the body. The students are, all the other moving parts. Wherever the head goes, the body follows. If the head goes the wrong way, the body's going to go the wrong way, and vice versa. If the head goes the proper way, the body's going to follow the right way. And so I feel like as a teacher, as long as I'm guiding my students down the right way, it is very easy for them to go ahead and follow through. Certain aspects that I see that I can help just continue shaping this classroom environment is being ready, being prepared, having my lesson and objective ready ahead of time is definitely great. One of the things that I least like in preparing for a lesson is having to do it the day of, and I always like to have materials ready, and I've always done that for my lessons. I've even recorded lessons with that. How I invite students to go deeper in their learning is by being creative, asking them to really think outside the box with our traditional sports, whether it be in soccer, baseball, basketball, just new and different ways that they think that they could. For example, in a soccer unit that I did, I asked my students, what do you think would be an interesting way to dribble? Or what's a different way to dribble? How would you go about moving forward in the offense with two defenders and compared to the traditional way of passing to somebody else or moving forward? So trying to find new ways of not necessarily reinventing the wheel, but just looking at the wheel from different angles. How I promote engagement in my classroom is I love participating with my students in their class with them. I love doing the activities that they do. So when we do the soccer units or any of the other sports units, I tend to play with them and kind of serve as a role as a peer teacher with them. So I'm playing with them, but at the same time, I'm also giving them instructions as I'm playing with them, either as their teammate or as their opponent. How I demonstrate value for each student is by going above and beyond the call of teaching, which is in PE, being right there with my students, doing the activities that they do. I know it can be tiring at some times because I have other things that I do in my regular day activities outside of teaching, but it's something that leaves a lasting impact with them. When I look at some of the best PE teachers that I've had the chance to be able to collaborate with in Long Beach, all of their students have always said, I love it when Mr. Gallner plays with us. I love it when Mr. Gallner, actually gets behind the wheel with me and shows me how to do a lot of these things. And so one of the things that I aspire to do is to be able to do those things and participate with my students as frequently as I can. I'm young, so I know I can do that for a long time, right now at least.